This is Levi Lazaroff's physics project. Check it out.
Number 1. Every action, there is a reaction. Here's an example of that.
Number 1. Here in number 1, it demonstrates that in every action there is a reaction. This law is stated by Newton and is one of his main 3 laws. This demonstrates this law because when the ball is dropped, it falls under action, and when the ball is bounced, it falls under reaction. This is the physics of bouncing the ball.
Number 2.
If it is bounced on an angle, it will go to a different angle, like this.
Number 2. Here in number 2, it shows another one of Newton's law. This law is called reflection. Bouncing the ball sideways uses reflection because it bounces up the same way. That's why when someone bounces the ball on an angle, it will bounce on that angle that you dropped it on. This is the physics of bouncing the ball on an angle.
Number 3.
Just like when a ball is bounced, it is called reflection. The same thing happens on a backboard. Let's take a look.
Number 3. Here in number 3, it uses the same law that Newton invented in the previous clip called reflection. In this part, it shows you how on a backboard it bounces the same way as when bouncing the ball. So if you shoot the ball on an angle, it will go in on the angle. This is the physics of a backboard. Number 4.
Shooting is one of the main parts of basketball. When you shoot, the best way is to put it up and let the gravity put it down, like this.
Number 4. Here in number 4, we use another one of Newton's law. This law is called gravity. Gravity is in the air and pulsing down. In this shot, the ball is going up and the gravity is the thing that is pushing the ball down to the hoop. This is the best way to shoot. This is the physics of shooting with gravity. Number 5.
When someone passes you the ball, you're the person who stops it from continuing to move. Here's an example.
Number 5. Here in number 5, it shows someone passing the ball and me stopping it. This happens because I am stronger than the velocity that is flying to me. So therefore, when someone passes you the ball, you have to be strong enough to stop the velocity. This is the physics of stopping velocity.
Number 6.
When you jump, it gives you more power when you're shooting.
Number 6. Here in number 6, it shows how when jumping it gives you more power when someone shoots. This happens because I'm transferring the power from my jump to my release. That's why when someone jumps, it gives someone more power when they shoot. That's the physics of shooting with jumping. Hashtag jumping for power. Number 7.
When you're farther, it uses more force than when you're closer. Like, let me show you 2 examples. One of them is like this. As you can tell, I have used much less force than I would use on this type of shot.
Number 7. Here in number 7, it demonstrates another one of Newton's many laws. This law is known as the law of force. This demonstrates the law of force because it uses more force in a far shot, uses less power in a close shot. This is the physics of different forces.